Today we're going to build a deck using these two new screws from the PWR DRIVE lineup. These screws have double tread, double the power. Let's try this out. So there you have it. You've seen the EVO and the fit in action. Both double-threaded screws. One was used for the decking, the other one was used for the miters. So hopefully you can try them out for yourselves.